Hello, my name is James. I'm with Supply and Demand, and today we're going to be replacing a few parts on this Whirlpool Cabrio WED8900BC0. If you don't know where to locate your model number for your dryer, you simply open the door and you should find the manufacturer label somewhere around the door or on the inside by the door hinges. Let's get started. Now you just need to disconnect the door switch. Once you look over here, you'll see the little tab. Just lift up on the tab and then just pull them apart. And there we go. You should be able to lift up on the front panel and move it out of the way. All right, so what we're gonna remove next is the inner door panel. Each drum support roller will contain two plastic tri-ring retainer clips that snap into the drum roller shaft to keep the roller in place. Alright, so this is the front of the inner panel. If you want to replace your drum roller shafts, you'll need to access this nut, and that's how you will unscrew the drum roller shaft. The other one is behind your lint trap chute. So let's go ahead and remove the lint trap chute so we can access that other drum roller bolt, which is hidden behind here. And there you go. These front rollers use a 9/16 socket and they are reverse thread. You'll remove the nut on the back like so. Make sure that when you get the new shaft that you have these retainers, which you can easily remove and reuse if you would like. And that washer, make sure that you keep all these pieces and you put them back on just the way they came off. Don't forget your washer. And we're ready to go. To more easily access the remaining parts on the dryer, we're going to disengage the drive belt and remove the drum. After removing the rear panel, you can access the rear drum roller shafts and replace the rear drum rollers. Next, we're going to install the drum drive belt. You can drape the belt over the drum and slide it back into place. The drive belt is routed around the idler pulley and around the motor shaft.